Since the onset of the pandemic, the Malaysian retail sector has experienced a decline in performance of 16.3%. Indoor shopping has reduced drastically, as a result of which approximately 300,000 people were rendered jobless. Shoppers grew more and more accustomed to online shopping, and local businesses were unable to keep up with the shift due to their lack of knowledge on social media marketing or online markets. Now, as we gradually emerge into the post-pandemic era, local businesses will have to enter the online market to adapt to customer preferences and stabilize their economic condition. Our app, Needy, aims to uplift struggling local businesses into the online market by providing them with a convenient platform to interact with their customers and adapt to the new normal. You might be wondering how we do this, so let's ask Alvi to introduce you to our app.
Needy is the first ever app to support local businesses in Malaysia. We plan to drive up profits for the local businesses by giving customers two of their favorite things, education and entertainment. Our app is the one-stop shop for sellers to showcase how their products are made, build better connections, attract loyal customers, and even sell or promote their products. Customers can use Needy to interact, contribute, and shop from their favorite local shops and follow along their journeys and even donate. We will also be conducting social media workshops for local businesses with the help of university student volunteers who will get a hands-on event organizing experience and a letter of recommendation from us on completion. The initial fees paid by the businesses are affordable, and in return, the businesses get greater visibility, opportunities for growth, and will be able to offer better customer services. Considering the drastic change that the pandemic has resulted in and the global rise in popularity of digitalization, we believe that business owners will want to learn how to promote their businesses through social media and make their shopping experience far more convenient for their customers. This gives people a compelling reason to use our services.
Let us now tell you about some of the features our app provides. All the individual features of our app have catchy, trendy names and was strategically picked to appeal to our customers. First on the list, we have Highlight, where featured local businesses can advertise products, services, sales, or special offers. If the businesses wish to post their own advertisements, they can do so for free. But if businesses wish to post advertisements that are designed by us, they will have to pay a minimal fee of 5 ringgits. These advertisements will then be shown to consumers on the app based on the preferences of consumers. Next, we have Live, the section of our app where businesses can live stream and post videos. The content they can stream range from educational content regarding how products are made, or content that shows a more personal side of businesses, such as the personalities of the employees, or something as simple as how business was for the day. This section allows businesses to grow their customer base and allows customers to better connect with various local businesses.
Penny is where consumers will be able to donate to their preferred shops and businesses. This part of the app relies heavily on the likability of the business, so this gives them an incentive to be more truthful, transparent, and candid towards their customer base. Following this, we have Add to You, a platform where we provide virtual and physical workshops that are run by us and student volunteers to help educate towards local businesses on how they can use social media to their advantage and which can help drive up their profits. Finally, we have the Local Bazaar, a virtual and physical bazaar event that are there to help promote local businesses. During the Local Bazaar, local businesses are allowed to sell their goods at a discounted price, and customers are able to attend the event as the price is affordable. It's basically a win-win situation. More sales and exposure for the shops, cheap and affordable goods for the customers. We plan to market our app by using digital ads on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and also by sponsored influencer and celebrity advertisements. We will also rely on campaigns that we conduct in famous bazaars, along with promoting our business among university student volunteers.
If you're wondering how big the market for our app is, here are the statistics. As for the seller side, the Malaysia's Statistical Business Registers stated that the total number of SMEs in Malaysia in 2020 was 97.2% of total business establishments. The consumer side was involved in a smartphone user, which is 71% of the Malaysian population. Considering these numbers, our app has a lot of room for growth in the future years. We plan to partner with NGOs like SOLS 24/7, which is a humanitarian NGO aimed at providing free educational programs, to contribute fundings and establish trust with customers. We also plan to receive fundings from investors and secret angels to develop the app or secure locations for the bazaars. In addition, we will need connections of experience in business partners to assist us with permissions regarding the app launch for the bazaars. One of our hurdles would be convincing local business owners to make the transition into the online world, which we plan to overcome via our workshops and by showing them examples of how various businesses have flourished online.
In conclusion, Needy is a unique and user-friendly app that adds value to society by helping struggling local businesses. It emotionally appeals to consumers who are eager to help shops that failed due to the pandemic. It is also affordable with trendy names that catch the attention of the youth and has great potential for growth. Simply put, we are the best app ever. So what are you waiting for? Join Needy today and help us revolutionize local businesses.